morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, the equity markets are red hot. We had new closing highs in the NASDAQ, new closing highs in the S&P 500. These sectors are both led by groups in the growth industry, so looks like the market upturn is going to continue for a while. So we'd be looking to see if the NASDAQ now, that 5,000 level, which is a huge resistance area, that now becomes a support level. Similar, same thing in the S&P 500. We're going to watch to see if that 2100 level can now be support for the S&P 500. And as I mentioned, it's still growth groups are leading this rally. Still the same groups, technology, biotechnology, retail, all very strong groups acting well. So we're going to talk about one stock we're looking at right now. We're still seeing a lot of setups of new merchandise coming to the market. So one of the stocks we're looking at is called Autohome. It's a Chinese company. The symbol is ATHM. And it's a fundamentally very strong company. Over the last 3 years, its average EPS growth rate has been about 78%. The 3-year average sales growth rate has been 70%. Last quarter's earnings came in at 81% increase, and sales came in an increase to 78%. Next quarter, analysts are looking for a 100% increase in earnings. And also for this year, looking for about a 31% increase, and for 2016, about a 35% increase in earnings. For the last 3 quarters, funds have been picking up the stock, has a high return of equity of 27%, and pre-tax margins are at 46%. So fundamentally a very strong company. And here's how we're liking it, and we're picking up shares this morning. However, consult your financial advisor to see if this is a trade for you. Basically, it's been consolidating since last August. Hit a high right around $57. Tried to make another break to the upside in October and hit a high about $56.33. And it's been consolidating since then. But we've seen a lot of accumulation. If you look at a chart, you'll see a lot of buying going up on the right side. And this morning it's passing through that pivot point of about $53.66. Now, it's moving pretty fast. I wouldn't chase it past $56. Maybe $56.30 is the complete upper limit. If you do decide to do the trade, don't forget about your stops. If the stock falls below $50, the trade may not work or may just not be the right time for it. But like I said, as always, consult your financial advisor to see if this trade is for you. And as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.